Hey guys, how are you? In this video I will tell you how to remove FRP Samsung S7. You can see here I'm going to input password hotspot. You can see here first of all you have to connect Wi-Fi hotspot and then you have to click next. I'm going to remove this mobile FRP, so now you have to click next button. You can see here and last years and go click tick mark all and agree. After checking for update, you can see here this may take a minute to just a second. So guys, in this interface you can see here verifying your account, but I don't remember this Gmail for verify this mobile, but I am going to remove this mobile FRP. So now I show you this mobile model. You can see here this mobile model S7, Samsung S7. So now you have to remove FRP. Guys, if you like this video, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. So first of all you have to insert your sim in this mobile. You can see here, input your sim, any sim. Connect sim any and insert in this mobile. You can see here this sim size is nano. Connect it. So guys, sim is inserted now, and now you have to bring another mobile for this mobile. You can see here this application frpfile.com. You have to download this apk in this description. So first of all you have to connect your phone number, input your phone number that you have connect sim in that mobile. You can see here I have entered number, and you have to click send command. You can see here, and command will show in this mobile verifying your Google account. You can see here command is sent, and here you can see command show. You can see here push message and click on OK. You can see here this is command YouTube command button. You can see here click on OK for open YouTube. You can see here and click on not now. So guys, search Google. When you search Google and click on Google channel, you can see here, and then you have to click on three dot. You can see here and trim and privacy, accept and condition, next, no thanks. You can see here. So now you have to search frpfile.com slash frpfile.com slash bypass search. So now you have to scroll down and you have to download a Google Account Manager 8 version. Continue it, allow, and OK. After that you have to download bypass FRP apk file. You have to click and download it, OK. After that click on three dot and go in downloads tab, install Google Account Manager. You can see here, install it. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. Click done. After you have to install bypass file, FRP bypass, open it and click on three dot, browse, sign in, and OK. So now you have to sign in Gmail any if you have created already. Input your Gmail and click next. Input your password this Gmail. After you click sign in button. So guys, sign in is completed. Now you can see here, and now you have to restart your mobile. Click on power button and click icon restart. So do it. Samsung S7 is removed now. Here there are the setups you can see here. Then you have to set up this mobile, click on start and go next and next. Checking for update, you can see here account added. Getting just a second. Scroll down and click don't restore, you can see here no thank you, and click escape and escape anyway and more agree. Just a second. You can see here, if you like this videos then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. Adding the finished touches, you can see here. To wait, it's working now and updating something apps. Processing and scroll down, escape, finish it. So guys, FRP is removed now. You can see here mobile is done now. You can see here interface. If you liked my videos then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest video. So now I'm going to next videos. Bye, be back later, see you next